Okay guys, we're gonna practice our letter sounds. I'm gonna say it and you can say it with me the first time if you know it all, if you remember. And if you don't, listen the first time and then you have to say it at home the second time. M, man, V, van, v. Q, which is the same as QU for sounds. Q, queen, qua. T, top, t. W, wind, w. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, eh. I'm sure you guys are missing Eddie. F, fun, f. R, rat, G, game, g. H, hat, h. A, apple, a. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. N, nut, n. X, fox, x. S, snake, s. Y, yellow, y. L, lamp, oo. Z, zebra, z. And we can come over here and do our blends. Blends are the two sounds that come together, the two letter sounds that come together. S-H, ship, sh. T-H, thumb,